In 2022, ChatGPT started to take the world by storm. The AI chatbot was adopted by 100 million users in its first 2 months, having one of the fastest growing user bases that ever existed. And it's only getting crazier. But with the rise of ChatGPT, concerned and critical voices became louder. The real danger is coming from humans abusing AGI technology for their own benefit. Centralized entities with narrow goals could easily widen the gap between the rich and the poor. Single humans who abuse AGI could be a real danger to humanity and in the worst case bring catastrophe. If only there was a way to put this powerful technology in the hands of the people, to use it for the benefit of humanity, to use it for the benefit of us all. If only there was a way. Oh damn, there is! And it's called blockchain. Blockchain is a technology that has the power to decentralize AGI, so that not one single person or group of people can have control over it and abuse it. And SingularityNET is a company that has a declared goal of developing a decentralized AGI on a blockchain to benefit all of humanity, as stated on their website. For that, they use Ethereum as their layer 1 platform and are also currently in the process of migrating to Cardano. But let's have a deeper look at SingularityNET. The first cool thing to note is the SingularityNET Marketplace, where AI developers can offer their own developed AI applications for use and for sale. You can just go in here and demo most of the applications for free, like for example the neural image generator. So after we've clicked on demo, we just decide which model we want to use. Let's use the I can't believe it's not photography model, and then let's say a cute woman with green hair. And then you can change some things down here. We don't need that at the moment. The more steps you make, the better it gets, but we'll keep it at 50. And then we run that. And while it's running, I'll show you some of the pictures I created with this. And yes, I like to create girls with colored hair, as you maybe can see here. And here are pictures. One didn't really create. That happens sometimes. I mean, we also got green eyes, but I must say it looks really good, man. I think that pretty much looks like a human face to me. Let's look at the other one. Also pretty good. Actually, I really like the green eyes. Alright, going back here, and when you reset that, you see down here I have 11 more users, 10 more users. It's 15 in total. And if you want to run it, you have a fixed price of 0.08 AGIX tokens. That's basically nothing. Now it runs on a blockchain, so you will need a wallet, probably MetaMask, to connect if you want to use it further. Going back to the marketplace, of course, there are many other applications, as you can see, but I will not go through all of them. You can have a quick look or just click the link in the description, and there you can see the rest. While I absolutely love the idea, it feels like the marketplace is missing a little bit traction and innovative ideas. On top of that, it feels a little bit clunky. For example, you cannot even sort by best rated up here. But if you're a developer, it still might be interesting for you, even if it's just to support the vision of SingularityNET or get a head start in the ecosystem. Let's have a quick look at the partners of SingularityNET. And here we have, for example, Fetch AI, VChain and Cardano, which are definitely some big names. Together with Fetch AI, SingularityNET is working on eliminating the hallucination problems and multi-step reasoning issues that LLMs such as ChatGPT have, which definitely sounds promising. Good, now let's have a look at the ecosystem, and two things I want to talk about here are the Rejuve project and True AGI. Since listening to the longevity podcast of Dr. David Sinclair, huge recommendation at this point, I'm totally into longevity, so this naturally caught my attention. The Rejuve project aims to decentralize the longevity research and make it easily accessible for everyone. According to their timeline, the app should launch this year, so I'm very curious and I will definitely update you on that. Or just join the waitlist yourself. Link in the description. Oh, by the way, I'm not sponsored or anything. I just fully believe and I'm excited about what SingularityNET is doing. If you are too, it would be great if you could like this video. Next, let's look at True AGI. And this is a company that is building Hyperon, or what will be the decentralized AGI heart of SingularityNET. Hyperon will be able to communicate with all, or at least many, of the different applications built on SingularityNET, combining them into one powerful tool. One powerful decentralized AGI. I love the idea and the project, but at the moment it's definitely lagging behind in the AI development. Obviously, since it hasn't launched yet. But I'm very excited for what is coming next, and the alpha version of Hyperon is set to launch in Q1 of 2024, so possibly this month. I'll definitely keep you updated. But as Ben Goetzel said in this video that I'll also link in the description,
pretty much we have to launch something that's way smarter than ChatGPT and launch that on a decentralized infrastructure, right? And if you do that, everyone will use it because it's smarter. And lo and behold, it also happens to run on this decentralized infrastructure.
I think it not only needs to be smarter, but also extremely easy and simple to use. And this might be an issue when it comes to blockchain. The user interface is probably one of the best things about ChatGPT and what helped it to go mainstream so fast. But if they can pull off what they say, I'm very optimistic that the future of AGI can be positive for all of us. If you want to learn more about Hyperon, what it is and how it works, be sure to watch a video right over here where I explain it in very simple terms.